Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and tech innovations to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving deep into the MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 4090 graphics card. Let's see if this powerhouse lives up to the hype.
The MSI RTX 4090 Gaming X Trio 24G isn't just any graphics card, it's a performance beast.
Powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge Ada Lovelace architecture.
This card boasts a blazing boost clock of 2595 MHz, delivering unrivaled power for gaming and computing supremacy.
With 24 GB of lightning-fast GDDR6X memory clocked at 21 GB per second and backed by a staggering 16,384 CUDA cores. You're guaranteed an adrenaline-fueled rush of data transfer for seamless multitasking and the ultimate gaming experience.
But it's not just about raw power. This card offers seamless connectivity, supporting up to 4 monitors effortlessly with one HDMI 2.1 port and 3 DisplayPort 1.4a ports. Whether you're creating a panoramic gaming setup or diving into the immersive world of VR, the possibilities are endless.
Worried about overheating during those intense gaming sessions? Fear not.
The MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 4090 comes equipped with advanced air cooling and the dynamic Tri-Frozr 3 thermal design.
This means temperatures stay in check,
ensuring optimal performance without breaking a sweat.
And let's not forget about its SLI-ready and VR-ready capabilities, along with HDCP support.
This ATX-powered beast is your ticket to seamless gaming, providing power stability for gaming dominance.
In conclusion, the MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 4090 graphics card is a force to be reckoned with. From its powerhouse performance to its advanced cooling system and seamless connectivity, it ticks all the boxes for any hardcore gamer or computing enthusiast. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy gaming!